Hello, my name is Achumboro, and this is part of my video series where I give business advice. So please hit subscribe, like this channel. Today we're going to talk about persuasion, one of the subsectors of communication, which is super important, and I advise you to really dig deep into communication if you really want to be a great entrepreneur, a great CEO, a great executive, or just great in general. Dig into communication. Last year I actually that was one of my big goals for 2018, and I dedicated a lot of the books that I read, I made sure were on the subject matter of communication. So it's super important. Now regarding persuasion, and this is something I see and I have to communicate to people who come across my path and people who ask me for advice and just people in general. Whenever they're asking me, hey, I'm trying to get somebody to do something for me, I'm trying to work with somebody, and they say, hey, I would get this from, and I'm telling them I would get this from, well, they're telling me that they're telling them that they would get this, and that from the relationship and from that person doing this and from working together. And the first thing I do is I say, wait, so what do you say to them? And they told them how, and they tell me what they say. They say, we should work together because I would be able to do this, and I would be able to go to this level, and I'll be able to do that. And I have to tell everyone, stop. Now let's look at what you're saying. You're telling someone to work with you so you can improve. People don't want to hear that. Most people don't want to hear that. People want to hear how they can improve from a relationship. So in any communication that you're trying to have where you want to work with somebody or you want to do something with somebody, focus 75 to 80% of the conversation on how they will benefit from the relationship. So let's say you're working with let's say you're working with an artist. You're working with an artist and you're in marketing, and you're trying to get an artist to be on a single. You can start off with how much they're getting paid. That's one thing you can start off with. Or you can also say, hey, I would love you to join us working on this advertisement, and we're going to promote this to 10 million people, and so your song and your face will be seen by a new audience of 10 million people. And you see, at that point, that's where you raise their interest. You have to put things in a way that appeal to the person you're trying to bring out to your team. You have to say things in a way that pique their interest. Say things in a way that show the value they will receive by working with you, the value they will receive by agreeing to this contract. You always have to put things in the light where they're like, oh wow, this is how it will benefit me. And that's important. Too many times we focus on how something will benefit us, and that's what we communicate to other people. But other people, honestly, they only care they care mostly about how things will benefit them. So you have to put it in a way that it will benefit them, for them to gain interest. All right, my name's Achumboro Ataande. That's my video advice for today. God bless you. Please leave comment and suggestions on what else you would like me to post about, create videos about. You can follow me on YouTube at Ataande Business Media, on Facebook. Our company is Ataande Advisors. And on Instagram, our company Instagram is Ataande Advisors. All that information should be in the links below. God bless you. Please hit subscribe. Please hit comment. If you're on Instagram or Facebook, please like or follow our page. God bless you. I do this Monday through Friday, all about business advice. We're located in New York. I'm located in New York City mostly. So if you're around, feel free to connect. I look forward to getting in touch with all of you, and I do respond to comments. So please leave a comment. Please say any suggestions, and I will be responding to them. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Have an amazing day, and I look forward to talking to you all tomorrow.